Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Kajabi payments to bank, full guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing funds from Kajabi payments to your bank, log in to your Kajabi account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located in the lower left corner of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, select Payments to access your payment settings. Look for the section labeled Payouts or Withdrawals. Here, you will find an If you haven't set up a payment processor yet, follow the prompts to link Kajabi with your preferred payment method, such as Once your payment processor is set up, return to the Payouts section. Check the balance available for withdrawal. If you have a sufficient balance, click on the Withdraw button. Next, you will need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm all your details are correct before proceeding. Select your bank account from the drop-down menu, if prompted. After confirming your information, submit the withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the funds to transfer to your bank account. To track the status of your withdrawal, return to the Payments section. From there, you can see any pending requests and their status. Make sure to monitor your bank account to confirm the receipt of funds. If you encounter any issues, consult the Kajabi Help Center or contact support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.